Hey guys, and welcome to Petrol and welcome to Kendrew Barracks, because today is another Vmax day. We are here very early before anybody's arrived because something very special has just rolled off of a trailer. That is Auto Vivendi's brand new Aventador SVJ. They picked it up at 5 o'clock last night and we're just getting some shots of it. They're not going to run it today because it's not even running. I think it's just done its first mile up the runway. Today I'm going to be running the Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio up that runway to see just how fast it can go. And this day is also supported by Aston Martin, so it should be a pretty good day really. Roll the titles. That is always the best bit of Vmax, is driving down the runway right at the beginning, surrounded by some very, very special bits of equipment. Last bit of briefing from Craig, and then we can start going really, really fast. Okay, here we go, guys. Well, that didn't quite go to plan because the camera I'm talking to now didn't start, but that was our familiarization run and we still hit 160 miles an hour. It's a quick old horse.
It's a very quick car.
The big difference you'll note from the last Vmax I've done is we are wearing helmets, so helmets are compulsory this year. But yes, that was just the familiarization run, just to see how it goes, get the braking point right, but yeah, very quick. There are some proper quick cars here today, but I think we need to have another go.
There are.
Let's do it. Okay people, it is time for our first proper run. No idea what we're going to be up against because we've got a very lovely AMG DTR there. I've got an M3 and an RS3 next to us. They are the two most likely candidates, I think, but we will see. So I'm in race mode. I am going to try manual shifts this time. I'm also going to try a launch control type thing. Yeah, we're up against an RS3, people. This should be interesting, actually. Oh no, he's put the RS3 up against the DBS Superleggera. So what have we got? Oh, we've got a Ferrari instead. Oh yeah. Yeah, Italian versus Italian. Yeah. Thanks for that. Yeah. Here we go. I can't believe I'm being put up against a bloody Ferrari.
Whoa! That's huge.
Got him.
Oh.
Oh,
100
come
miles
on.
an hour. There he goes.
120.
Right, though. 130. 140. 150. 155. 56. 57. 58. 59. 60. 61. 62. 63. Oh, not quite 63. Whoa.
163. Now, I reckon we've got more than that because I messed up that first gear change. So we nearly had the, well, we had him up to about 100 and something, and I missed first gear.
Yeah.
I missed that first gear change, which is annoying.
Did you just hit the rev limiter there?
Yeah. So this event is supported by Aston Martin, and you can basically get to drive a DBS Superleggera up the runway. I think I want to go with that. Guys, we are about to max a DBS Superleggera down the runway, and this is my instructor Andy, who's a very brave man.
Indeed, yeah. A lot of trust involved here.
This is a lot of trust. Don't worry, I won't let you down.
So we go on the inside.
Here we go.
So remember, first gear, feed it in, short shift it, same as second, then you get into third and floor it. And I'll keep pushing you, then I'll say brake. But not a violent brake, just a nice caress and then squeeze, yeah. Press it harder, a little bit harder. That's it, you've got ceramics on this thing. That's it, that's good.
Oh, wow.
What'd you get to?
193.
There you go, that's good. There you go.
Oh, wow.
Stable, isn't it?
I'm actually quite emotional.
Yeah, good.
When I was a kid, that was, racing drivers did that, that was it. I never thought I'd get to drive 193 miles an hour. Oh, wow.
Cool, well done. So drop it up to, yeah, you can fifth gear's a nice gear, that's it.
Wow, this thing is rapid.
So we come off the line, the Vantage is kind of, obviously it's a bit lighter, so it was about the same as us, and then we just pulled it away from it.
Yeah.
I didn't see it in the end where we were away from it, but about 10 car lengths, I think.
That is, oh man, that's one of the coolest things I've ever done. Wow, that's going to take some beating.
Yeah.
So I need to take stock because I've just done 193 miles an hour in an Aston Martin DBS Superleggera, and it was super easy to do as well, super stable. I reckon the guy was saying, my driver was saying he's done 197, but that's just about getting off the line a bit quicker. Short shifted in sort of 5,000 RPM in first and second, then in third, once we're in third, foot down. What a car! That was good fun. So I always play the what car would I take home? Now, I am very tempted by Auto Vivendi's brand new Aventador SVJ, but I've always had a very, very big soft spot for an Aston Martin Vantage GT12. And that one in Gulf colours for me, that's my car of the day. Love it. Right, this is our last run of the day, isn't it, mate?
It is.
Partially because we've only just about got enough fuel.
So touch and go when we get to the end of the
runway.
runway.
Yeah, we've got to get to the end of the runway and we've got to get to the nearest petrol station. But what a day it's been so far. So it looks like we're up against a very modified Subaru Impreza. That thing, it sounds absolutely insane. So I haven't got a clue what's under the bonnet, but I have a feeling we're going to get smoked. Him?
We have left him behind.
Woohoo!
He's in your rear view mirror.
Come on, baby!
120, 130, 140.
Oh, look at him!
There he goes.
Oh,
Here he goes. Now we've been left behind. 150.
Wow. Come on, let's beat 163. Come on.
58, 59, 60, 61. Oh boy.
It just ain't going to do more than 160.
Yeah, it will.
Wow.
It will not go.
What on earth? So once he found second gear, yeah,
we were left behind.
That thing's rapid, man. Well guys, it is coming to the end of the day, or my day anyway, because we've ran out of fuel. But the cars are still going. But what a day that is. I have to say a huge thank you to Craig and all the team at Vmax 200 and Auto Vivendi for inviting me along today. Absolutely brilliant, brilliant day. Let these guys go. Just get that every sort of 30-40 seconds. Brilliant day. Huge thank you to Alfa Romeo UK for lending me the Stelvio Quadrifoglio. Hugely impressive car. 163 I think we clocked was our maximum speed, but aerodynamics takes over with a big car like that and it just wasn't going to go past 163. So huge thank you to Alfa, and also a huge thank you to Aston Martin for letting me drive the DBS Superleggera at 193 miles an hour. My new Vmax record. That's going to take some beating. With the cars at Vmax in the background, I'm going to sign off there, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this one. If you have done so, please give me a thumbs up. Comments below are always welcome, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to Petrol Ped for plenty more content to come, and I'll see you on the next film. Maybe not quite as fast, but hopefully just as much fun. Oh, look at that. Let's leave you with these two bad boys. That lovely RS4 in the background. 3, 2, 1.